Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the GATE 2022 statistics. Today we will discuss about question number 26, which is related to finding the probability of the random variable. We will try to solve this question within a 1 minute fix so that you will get enough time in the examination. You can simply follow my Telegram channel link, this is there, or else you can follow my YouTube channel where you can find the various videos related to the previous year GATEs and the tips. Now what is that? This question is related to the, what is that? If you remember that, what is this? This is nothing but my geometric distribution. However, there is no need of the geometric distribution in here, but we will see how you can find this value from in n0 to infinity. That's a very simple. Firstly, we will try to write in this form. What is that? N to n plus 1. It means it is my n plus 1. It is my n plus 2 plus of n plus 3. That's fine. Now you can substitute this value here. So 1 by 4 is a constant everywhere, so I can write this value outside. What is that? It's my 3 by 4 of n. It's a 3 by 4 of n plus 1. It's a 3 by 4 of n plus 2. That's the answer of this problem. Now the rest part is you have to take the summation. You can take the summation. So 1 by 4 is outside. So what will happen if you take this summation? So if you take this summation, it goes to the inside, it goes to here, it goes to here. So what is that? This is the sum of the GP series. What is the sum of the GP series? A over 1 minus R. What is the first term is when you start from 0 to infinity? The first term is my 1 A upon R. Plus what is the first term is 3 by 4 over 1 minus 3 by 4. Plus first term is my 3 by 4 whole square over 1 minus 3 by 4. So what is that? This 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, if you take the common and it will be cancelled out. So what is the answer is 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 9 by 16. So what is the answer of this is, if you take 16 as LCM, 16, 12 plus 9. So answer is 37 upon 16. So it will be, you have to write in the 2 decimal places. The answer will be here. You can use the 2 decimal places and get the right answer here. So that's a very simple questions. You can get easily marks as here. We will see the next questions 27 and onward in our next class with the help of the shortcut tricks. Till then, you can simply like, share and comment my channel. Thank you very much. Best of luck.